Hey everyone, this is T.F.D, that freaky guy here. Oh no, it's that freaky dude. And today, you see the title of this video. And today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter in a 2015 Kia Optima standard base LX model and we're going to use the cabin air filter. Now, to find your cabin air filter, you are going to need to go to your glove box, and you'll see in the very back that there's a screw in the top left corner and also the top right corner. Twist them forward towards the car and pull out. And on the other one, it's the, opposite direction, but it's toward the car. Wait, no. Toward you. So, the right one is toward the engine, and the one on the left is toward yourself. Pull that out. And you will find, oh, okay. And if you look to this side, right over here, you'll see this, hold on, focus. You'll see this black thing right here that holds this from going any further. You want to pull this out. And pull that out. Now you'll be seeing this. That's nothing. Okay. So what you really need to look at is in the far back is you might have to open the door for this, is a black cover. Just want to take that off. Okay, I see. Okay, my mistake. There's gonna be a thing up in the upper right corner, in the US model. UK, I bet it's gonna be on the left side. But you wanna pinch that, pull it, and you will see this cloth material. You'll want to, this is going to be the material you want to pull out. You're going to want to pull that out. Oh my. Pull that out, toss that aside, and get your air filter. I'll be right back with you when I'm about to install it. Okay, so when you get your filter out of the package, you want to take it long ways, okay? And insert it in through the hole, nice and neatly. Okay. Okay, you guys, I take that back. You want to put it in, not long ways, but you want to have the lines straight like this. And you want to put that in, make sure it's nice and straight. And just tap it a couple times. Make sure it's in. Take your cover. You want to, okay, there's going to be a little hole. You want to slip it in first. Right there, because it's got a hook. Got to do the flap. There's going to be a hole right there. Don't get it, whoops. Don't want to get it too much. push it in. Don't be afraid. You want to push that in pretty hard. I had to push it in pretty hard. Don't... all plastics on all cars will have a little yellow. So this is okay. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, once you got that installed, get your hook. Your hook. Grab it. Put it on. Okay. And once you got that, you're going to want to get your plastic screws. Just keep going until you find a little hole. Okay. Say about halfway point. Okay, right there. You want to get those in. This one on the left side, pull towards the engine. And on the other one, you want to pull it towards you. To make sure it works, your thing works, your glove box works, you can just put it in. Just keep that open. That one's installed, and that one is installed. That's how you change your cabin air filter in a 2013, or maybe 2012 to 2015 Kia Optima. Thank you for watching, and have a great evening. Peace! Woo! Bye. I'll see you later.